Alyssa Glutz here from Color My Credit. This video is to explain the Easy as 1, 2, 3 system. And this is a system for anyone who's looking to build the perfect credit score. You could be starting today with bad credit. You could be starting today with no credit or great credit. But this is the makeup of a perfect credit score. This is what a mortgage company wants to see you have. And this is a simple, easy way for you to have a great credit score without even having to go into debt. So those Dave Ramsey followers out there that are that want to pay cash and don't believe in using credit cards, I'm going to just show you how easy it is to make the credit card system work for you. Okay, so you don't work for Visa, Visa works for you. So this is the program. It's very easy. The 3 websites I list for you to be able to open these 3 accounts, they're not basing your approval on your credit score. So they're easy to get. The 2 credit cards, you have to set up an account with them and then transfer usually about $200 from your bank account over to the credit card to secure it in case you don't pay the bill. You know, they have your money. But about 30 days after you set up the account and move your money over, then you get the Visa credit card in the mail, and it has a little Visa symbol, and it's going to have a $200 limit. Okay, so for this first card right here where you see Give Back, okay, this is your Give Back card. You go to OpenSkyCC.com. Now, credit cards, we've never really been taught how to use them. And so the key thing is to try to assign them to something, an activity, okay? Something that is not use them whenever I don't have the cash or the income, or I need to charge something large, or I need to consolidate all my debt. The credit score you have, 30% of it is based on how much of that credit card you're using every month that the company's reporting and how much you have available to you. So I don't care what your limit is on your credit card. It could be 200, it could be 20,000. The goal is that once a month you have a charge for $20, and then you set it up for the bank account to pay it off then when the bill comes in the mail. At the time the bill comes in the mail, the company has reported your balance. They report your balance about a day to a day of the statement closing date that's on your credit card. That's the day they print your credit card statement, they send it out to you, and most people receive their bill and then they pay it in full. But the credit card company's already reported their balance the week before. So you need to make sure you want a $20 balance reporting. Okay, it's better than 0, believe it or not. The way you know you're doing a good job with your credit cards is when you get that credit card bill in the mail every month, it should say $20. When you get the bill in the mail, then you set it up automatically for your bank account to pay off the credit card in full, okay? But you're gonna assign this first card, this Open Sky. You're gonna put a reminder in your phone. It's gonna pop up and say, use your Give Back card. Once a month, you take the card out of the drawer. You don't need to even keep it in your wallet. The system works in the background for you. You take that card out, you walk into a Walgreens or wherever to get a gift card, okay? You go in, you use your credit card to buy a gift card for $20. You walk outside, you hand it to someone who's homeless, okay? Or you go home and you give it to your brother who could use 20 bucks right now, or mom, or a friend. The point is to loosen your grip on money and to find something that first you can give back. You can do something to try to make somebody else's day, right? If we want money, we have to give money. If we want love, we got to give love. That's that mentality. So opening up the blessings for you to come, getting your head in the right place, that first card you're going to assign to Giving Back, okay? The second card, the second chart credit card, what revolving cards, credit cards are, you can borrow from, you can pay it back. You can borrow from it, pay it back. You need 2 of them to really have the best credit score. So the second card you're going to get at the discover.com, and it's credit/cards. We're missing a little dash in between the credit cards, but that is the website you can go to. And it's a secured card. Again, you'll be approved regardless of where your credit score is, but you're going to have to do that deposit, that $200 deposit. Once a month, you use the credit card, this time assigned to being present, okay? Reminding you that we're not all here to just pay bills and die, okay? 20 bucks doesn't seem like a lot these days. Like, what am I gonna do with 20 bucks? But 20 bucks when you hold it in your hand, or you go and get a gift card again at Walgreens, but for yourself to take your wife on a date, to take your kids on a date, to take your family members, somebody that's important to you. Maybe it's something to do for yourself to be present. Maybe it's from, getting a manicure or something that makes you feel happy, and makes you enjoy living. So once a month, the reminder pops up, use my Be Present card. You're going to charge $20 and automatically pay off that credit card when the bill comes in the mail from your bank account. Okay. The third account is an installment loan. Now, you don't have to get this loan specifically that I'm going to talk about, because most of you do have a car loan, a student loan, a home loan, something that's already working for you as far as that installment loan and the 10% of your score that makes up having a mix of accounts. But if you don't have one, okay, if you don't have an installment loan, or you've paid off your car, your home, and all those things, and now you're at a place where you want still to have a great credit score because of home insurance, car insurance, and everything else in life, the installment loan you could get is a credit builder loan. So this is a little different thinking. Most of the time we borrow a lump sum and we pay it back over a certain term. We're kind of doing that. Instead, at the BMO Harris or Self Lender is the website I had mentioned here, you tell them how much you want to save over what amount of time. So maybe it's $2,000 over the next 2 years. They break up the payments into monthly installment payments, and automatically every month, they're going to take that amount from your bank account. You set it up that way. Every month they do that. They report to the 3 credit bureaus that you made your installment payment on time. And in 2 years, you get all your money plus the interest. Okay, so if you're thinking of buying a car in a couple of years, why not get a head start on it? Why not get the installment loan set up for $5,000 for the next couple of years? You make this monthly payment, and you get credit for it monthly. And then when you go to buy the car in 2 years, you have a down payment, or go pay cash, and just don't spend too much money on your car, get you from A to B. So that's it. This is the system. This system I have tried with clients that have had a 400 credit score and projected out a year on my simulator with just these 2 open credit cards and 1 installment account. Every single time their scores are coming up high enough to not only be able to buy a house, but be able to actually qualify to get a grant. Usually with a 640 or higher in Arizona is where the grant program will allow you they'll pay your down payment for you. So it's up to you. Today is day 1. Get these accounts set up, and it takes about 30 days before they show up on your credit report. But after that, you're ready to rock and roll. This system will be working in the background for you, and then you can get to all the stuff you need to repair and fix and all that, because by the time you actually get to that stuff, this system could be working in the background, drowning out the bad with good, which is what you need to do. I hope it helps, and I'd love to hear your results. If you have a story, let me know. My name is Alyssa Glutz. I'm with Color My Credit, and you can reach me at 480-206-6516. Make it a great day.